Green skills, green jobs. Green jobs are a vital component of the transition to a sustainable economy and society. These jobs are characterized by their focus on environmental sustainability and their contribution to reducing carbon emissions, conserving natural resources, and promoting clean energy. Green jobs span various sectors, including renewable energy, energy efficiency, waste management, sustainable agriculture, and conservation. One significant aspect of green jobs is their potential to create employment opportunities while addressing environmental challenges. For example, the renewable energy sector, which includes solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy, has experienced rapid growth in recent years, leading to job creation in manufacturing, installation, maintenance, and research and development. Similarly, energy efficiency initiatives such as retrofitting buildings with insulation and energy efficient appliances create jobs in construction, engineering, and building management. In addition to creating new jobs, green jobs also contribute to the transition of existing industries towards more sustainable practices. For example, traditional manufacturing and transportation sectors are increasingly adopting cleaner technologies and practices to reduce their environmental footprint, creating opportunities for workers to retrain and upskill in green technologies and processes. Furthermore, green jobs play a crucial role in building resilience to climate change and other environmental threats. For instance, jobs in ecosystem restoration and natural resource management help protect vulnerable habitats and communities from the impacts of climate change, such as flooding, drought, and habitat loss. To maximize the potential of green jobs, it is essential to invest in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills and knowledge needed for the green economy. This includes technical skills related to renewable energy, energy efficiency, and waste management, as well as soft skills such as problem solving, communication, and teamwork. Additionally, policies and incentives that promote the growth of green industries and support the transition to sustainable practices are crucial for creating a thriving green job market. Overall, green jobs are essential for achieving environmental sustainability, economic prosperity, and social equity. By investing in green skills and promoting the growth of green industries, we can create a more sustainable future for all.